just manje kumele remove uLikhanyane nasiqeda ngoLikhanyane, and then uMalema nakeza manje aqala ijeni yakhe, ngoba manje he's been trained by the kingdom of darkness now for 6 years. Uyaqeda nje angisho 2026, which actually it starts at the age of 40. From the 41 to 46 we are trained by the kingdom of darkness. Angisho bamfundisa manje ngalento le ye-democracy le about precedents and all that. Yabona, so leyo bekuyi-training, so this training is coming to an end in 2026. Yabona, so in 2027 he must take his throne and ilento experiential learning yokuba yi-king, but indlela yongena ngayo Malema is going to take over as the president of the ANC in 2027.
So you guys have seen this video trending there on TikTok, and apparently there's like a podcast whereby they invited a former Kingdom of Darkness worker, you guys, and he made very serious, of course, and damaging allegations. He claims to have seen EFF President Julius Malema in the Kingdom of Darkness, and he alleges that he is currently undergoing training there in the Kingdom of Darkness, and he says that the training will take about 6 years, and he is in about 4 years in training right now, and he says that once he's out in 2027 he'll be the biggest Kingdom of Darkness worker, and he also claims that Julius Malema will become the president of the ANC, you guys, and that he will spread evilness and do the assignments that the Kingdom of Darkness instructs him, you guys. He has made a lot of allegations and alleged revelation regarding the Kingdom of Darkness, because he claims to have been working there, you guys. You can catch the interview right here on YouTube, you guys, if you want to watch more and listen to more revelations. In the meantime, please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, of course, do like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet done so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.